Hi guys, welcome back to Menace Rides. This is an update on our C250 AMG, and guess what? We asked you guys to decide whether we're going to wrap the car, spray paint the car, and get your ideas on the vehicle, and this is what we came up with. What do you think? We've gone with white. Professionally done by Menace Rides, guys. Just a quick update. Obviously we wanted to get into the vehicle, but the weather is not permitting us to. When you spray paint a vehicle, the temperature or the ambient temperature needs to be right for the spray gun and everything, so hang in there. But right now, Menace Rides AMG is white, and now you know why. Anyway guys, we'll get back into it as soon as this all melts down. Have a good time, be safe, drive safe if you're in the UK and it's snowing around you. But for now, like, share, subscribe.